Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Here you see the tiniest Lord Shiva Puja conch ever collected from Indian Ocean. This is a normal sized conch. Normal size Puja conch collected from Indian Ocean. It's the tiniest form. See the different size. Tiniest form ever collected from Indian Ocean. This conch even grows up to 1 feet. It's a beautiful collection. Tiniest form. See how tiny it is. It has 3 lines. It has 3 lines. Now I'll show the close-up view of it. It is really amazing to see. Really amazing to see. See how tiny it is. Now I'll show the close-up view. See how tiny and beautiful it is. It's a Lord Shiva Puja conch collected from Indian Ocean. You can see 3 lines in it. See, you can clearly see 3 lines in this. Such a tiny conch. You can see 3 lines. That is really amazing. 3 lines for Lord Shiva. The conch is perfectly fine. Beautiful. Conch also showing it full maturity. Tiny and full maturity. Amazing piece of collection. 3 lines for Lord Shiva. So tiniest ever get collected Lord Shiva Puja conch from Indian Ocean. Fine quality. Quality is very fine. Finest quality. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.